Hello and welcome to the DIY session on rear axle greasing. To keep your motorcycle performing at its best, free movement of rear wheel is key. To ensure this, you need to grease the rear axle of the bike at regular intervals. Let us take a look at how this is done. But before we start, ensure you have the following tools: a 6mm and 5mm Allen key, a 24mm ring spanner, and a 13mm open end spanner. Additionally, you will also need tapping palette and semi-solid grease. To start with, ensure that the motorcycle is in an upright position on a firm and flat surface. Take a note of the alignment markings on both the sides of the swing arm. With the 24mm ring spanner, remove the plain washer and the axle nut and keep them aside safely. Plug out the brake hose and ABS cable from the swing arm clips. Unmount the brake caliper bolt with the help of the 6mm Allen key. At the same time, remove the ABS sensor with the 5mm Allen key. Place a clean and dry cloth on the exhaust pipe and place it gently on the cloth. Place a cardboard sheet between the brakes to prevent any damage. Then loosen the chain adjuster nuts by using the 13mm open end spanner. As you push the wheel gently for support, pull the axle out of its position. Now pull the axle out completely. Keep your hand on the wheel. Remove the left and right side chain adjuster from the swing arm. Now unmount the drive chain from the sprocket and slide out the caliper reaction bracket. Then remove the left side spacer from the sprocket and keep it aside safely. And ask a friend to slightly tilt the motorcycle to the left while it is still on the center stand so that you can roll out the wheel assembly. Now, remove the right side of the spacer from the wheel and keep it aside on a clean surface. To prevent any damage on the disc plate, avoid placing the wheel assembly with the disc plate facing downwards. Also, do not press the rear brake lever when the wheel is removed from the motorcycle. To refit the rear wheel, tilt the motorcycle on the left side and gently roll in the rear wheel. Make sure the rear shocker mounting bolt is not coming in contact with the disc surface while sliding the wheel assembly. Once done, gently slide the caliper bracket till it fits properly. Insert the drive chain onto the rear sprocket followed by the left and right sides chain adjusters. Apply a thin film of semi-solid grease on the axle uniformly. Then push down the wheel assembly so that the swing arm and chain adjusters are on the same axis. While you push down the wheel with the right hand, gently push the axle into the swing arm eye. Now tap the axle gently with the mallet till it comes out of the other side. Place the flat washer axle nut and tighten it with your hand for a few threads. Tighten the axle nut fully as you hold the axle from the other side. Then tighten the left and the right side chain adjusters for initial few threads using a 13mm open end spanner till the initial alignment markings are achieved. You might have to adjust the chain play. Remove the cardboard that was previously placed between the brake pads and remount the caliper assembly on the bracket along with the ABS sensor using the respective Allen key. The rear wheel is completely fixed now and your motorcycle is ready for a long ride. However, do visit a Benelli service center to get the bolts tightened to the recommended torque. Keep riding.